Hi guys, this is the Affiliate Hustler back again with a new quick video. Sorry that I have no shirt on here in Buenos Aires. It's very hot in here, it's summer, so sorry, mind if I do without no shirt. But today let's get into the video. I want to show you how you can actually use Max Bounty or an affiliate CPA network to make money with Twitter. Yes, in this case I'm going to show you how to get traffic with Twitter, and if you stay until the end I may want to show you another way to get traffic to your CPA offers for free, but that is if you don't want to use Twitter, because Twitter can this is a warning in general. If you want to get traffic with Twitter, is that Twitter in general, if you're, well, let's say spam, if you're spamming a lot of tweets every day, they will probably think that the algorithm will probably think that you're a bot and they will ban your account. Yes, so generally I wouldn't recommend using Twitter for getting free traffic, but if you are willing to do alternate tweets, for example 2 tweets 1 hour, then 1 hour the other hour 3 tweets, and like do tweets so it doesn't seem that you are a bot. Yes, so that you can use Twitter to get free traffic. Now the method I'm gonna show you, not the Twitter method to get traffic, is not as effective as Twitter, because Twitter is a very great way to get traffic. Unfortunately, it has this algorithm that can ban you. Yes, so that's a warning that I wanted to put at first, so that then no one at the comments tells me, hey, Twitter doesn't work, they block your account, they spam, they mark you as spam. So that's a general warning for every one of you guys who wanted to comment that beforehand. Yes, so also before I get into the video and explaining how you can start making money, if you want, well, more affiliate marketing content, please watch other of my videos, and please, if you want to support my channel, hit the subscribe button, and also to receive my notifications when I make a new videos, click the bell notification icon. Yes, so make sure to stay until the end, and without further ado, let's get into the video, guys. Let's actually get into the video. Yes, let me first briefly explain what CPA marketing is. I always first explain how it works, because there's always someone who doesn't know how it works and how CPA marketing differences from affiliate marketing. Yes, so affiliate marketing is obviously promoting a product that is not yours, and when you make a sell and you sell that product, you receive a commission. It's basically selling something. Yes, for example, in a job, at the job where you sell, for example, at a call center, it works the same way, but they don't call it affiliate marketing, because you are not receiving a good cut like affiliate marketing. We are talking about 40% commissions or 50% commissions of what you sell. Yes, so this is a good business model because you get a lot of percentage of the sale. Now the difference with CPA marketing is that CPA stands for cost per action. Yes, means that for you to receive a commission, the action will be established by the vendor. This action could be that the traffic converts into a lead, converts into a sale, converts into a booking, converts into an credit card submission. It depends on what the vendor establishes as the action. Yes, so now that I got out of the way, I'm going to actually show you how you can you can join these affiliate CPA networks and start promoting their thousands of offers they have on their platform. For example, Max Bounty. Yes, Max Bounty is a huge CPA network. I mention it basically on thousands of my videos. Now the thing that I always mention with Max Bounty is that they have an application, sorry, where you will have to where you will be called by the phone by your manager, which is my manager is here, Jordan Hiley. He called me the first time and started asking me questions about affiliate marketing. He will ask you about what traffic sources you use, how the general knowledge about affiliate marketing, why do you want to use their network, and these are very basic questions, so don't make your head about them. It's very easy to answer. You just answer what, if you watch all of my videos, you'll know what to answer to Jordan Hiley, because you'll know about traffic sources, you know about affiliate marketing, and you know why you would join Max Bounty, because of the thousands of offers they have in their platform. Yes. Now, what I would do in order to search for a campaign to promote once you join Max Bounty. Now, I also mentioned of other of my videos, if you don't get accepted to Max Bounty, say if you are on India or other type of country, then I mentioned in one of my videos that I will leave in the upper right corner, that there are hundreds of other CPA networks like Bing Bang Ads, Affiliates, CPA Grid. These are the three alternatives, the three best alternatives to Max Bounty that I found. Yes, but you can search also for hundreds of others of CPA networks. Yes. Now let's go to search campaigns. Once you get to you log into Max Bounty, and here you will type on you will click on search options, and here it will bring a menu where you can choose the traffic source. Let's say if you are going to do Google Ads, search incentive. Incentive is push ads. Native is native. Native, if you don't know native, I have also videos explaining native. Mobile, well, mobile is push. I don't know what is incentive. Display is from the Google Display Network. Email, contextual. They have they have a lot of traffic types from you to choose. You can choose by country, and the most important thing is that you can choose by CPA type. Now, in Max Bounty, they have 2 CPA types. That's what this menu tells you, but in reality, I think I found more than 4 CPA types. Here, it allows you to filter by price per lead, so you will get paid for every lead that you bring to the vendor and for every sale you bring to the vendor. In this case, to make money with Twitter easy, we're going to promote lead CPL, cost per lead offers. Yes, and you will click on search. I won't do any preference on the vertical, meaning the niche. I won't choose any specific niche, so we'll go with search. Yes, here we are, and you can see that you can see all the offers that jump out. Yes. Now, a general rule of thumb that I always say is that you should type soy. That means single opt-in. And when you type single opt-in, it means that you only will be paid once the traffic or the prospect enters their email. Once they enter the email, you get paid, because you will be paid for every lead that you bring. Yes. So win an Xbox. These are sweepstakes. A general rule of thumb that I always mention in other of my videos is that you shouldn't go for a CPA rate higher than $10. Yes, I would even say higher than $5, because if it's higher than $5, the EPC, meaning the earnings per click, the earnings you will be getting for every click to your affiliate link will be this amount. So a good EPC is below 30 cents, yes, or 50 cents even. So you could try this, but if they pay you a high amount of money per lead, this means that they require a double opt-in, meaning that the prospect will have to enter their email and then enter some information again for you to get paid. Yes. So I would go, for example, like the ones which say soy, which means single opt-in, and I'm looking for something that could have a potential on Twitter. So what I actually did is I on details put the vertical, the niche gaming, because I thought that many gamers are on Twitter, and many people are interested on MMOs, which is multiplayer. So MMO an acronym for MMORPG, with massively multiplayer online role playing. So there are a lot of people playing this type of games. This type of games are like, well, Warcraft, for example, was an MMO. And yeah, you could first obviously read the restrictions that they give you, and then you will go to build tracking link, and you will type social, because we are promoting it on Twitter. We are going to grab the raw link, and you just copy the link, and now it's time to go to Twitter. Yes, go to your Twitter account and search for example, MMO, something like related to that, and for example, this one. I don't get why you not releasing tools. Every MMO have an official add-ons, parsers, recount. I don't know. Even in other MMO, it was taking me being better. For example, she's talking about MMOs. Yes, and what you could do is you could type, hey, I really understand you. Like, write something related to the tweet. Obviously, don't be a spammer. Like, hey, just check this game. You will really like, because you like MMO. Like, don't be that stupid. And you paste the link. So what I am doing here basically is I'm recognizing her problem. I am recognizing her concerns. This is more like a copywriting strategy. And then what I'm doing is, I know, but here I have a solution for your problem. Yes, this MMO doesn't have any of your problems that you're telling. They are releasing tools. They have a lot of class. They allow you to optimize your class. These are all technical terms of MMO, but I'm basically replying to her problem. And a bonus step that I would recommend you is to grab this link and shorten it with Bitly or any other shortener, because it looks ugly, and Nightmara or this user would probably know that it's an affiliate link. Yes, so be smart about how you tweet, because people will realize that you're spamming. So don't just put like, hey, check out this MMO, because it won't work and people won't click on the link. Yes, so this was it for this video. Hope you like it. It was a very quick video for you guys that want to make money with CPA with free traffic. If you have any questions, leave it in the comment section below. Remember to follow me on Instagram, and I will be seeing you guys till next video.